Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl. We back at it again with another one. Happy Monday, happy Martin Luther King Day as well. We're back at it with another one with the low rolls. We're doing 5 sets of 15 on the low rolls, y'all. And yeah, y'all, how was y'all weekend? Did y'all have a good weekend? I just relaxed. I relaxed. I stayed home. I wasn't gonna come today, y'all, to be honest. I was just gonna take another day off for the weekend, but I said, you know what? No, we have to get to it. We have to be persistent and dedicated, okay? And yeah, we got to keep showing up, y'all. We have to keep showing up. So, y'all see it. We are here. It's a new week, it's a new day, and we're going to get right to it. And yeah, y'all, have a blessed day. And yeah, y'all see it. Peace.